Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today our review of the Mazda MX-30 EV. Mazda's first fully electric vehicle is here, and today we're diving into everything you need to know about this unique crossover. From its design to performance, we've got you covered. Let's start with the design. The MX-30 is a head-turner, no doubt about it. Mazda's signature Kodo design language shines here, with sleek curves and a minimalist vibe. And those Freestyle doors. They're like a modern twist on retro cool, giving it a standout look while offering practicality for passengers. The 18-inch wheels and contrasting roof colors add just the right touch of flair. Inside, Mazda takes a sustainable approach. You'll find eco-friendly materials like cork accents, a nod to Mazda's roots, and recycled fabrics. It's cozy yet modern, with a floating center console and a crisp 7-inch touchscreen for climate control. Plus, the seats are designed for maximum comfort, perfect for those longer drives. Now, let's talk performance. The MX-30 is powered by a 35.5 kilowatt-hour battery, giving you about 100 miles of range on a full charge. While that's less than some competitors, this EV is built for urban adventurers, not cross-country treks. The 143 horsepower motor delivers smooth, responsive acceleration, and the handling. Classic Mazda, sharp and agile, making city driving a breeze. Charging is easy too. With a level 2 charger, you can go from empty to full in just about 4.5 hours. And if you're on the go, DC fast charging gets you to 80% in roughly 36 minutes. It's all about convenience for your daily routine. Safety is a top priority with Mazda. The MX-30 comes packed with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. It's like having a co-pilot watching your back at all times. So, who's the MX-30 for? If you're looking for a stylish, eco-conscious EV designed for city life with a focus on comfort and driving fun, this might just be your perfect match. Sure, the range is limited, but for the right driver, it's a standout choice in the EV market. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.